A child was born on 15 September 1861 at a small village in Mysore. Though his father passed away when he was 12, introducing struggles to him, he completed his education, being a topper in civil engineering, and joined as an assistant engineer for the British government in Nasik, Bombay, at 24 years of age. He served the government for 24 years in various positions and gave voluntary retirement and dedicated all his time on nation building till he was 102 years of age. His major achievements included introducing block system of irrigation to bring more area of land into cultivation. He designed automatic floodgates which increased the storage capacity of water in a dam without raising the height of the dam, which got implemented all over the world. He was the man behind the construction of Usman Sagar and Himayat Sagar reservoirs, protecting Hyderabad from the floods caused by Musi River, which was causing the greatest damage to the city. He created modern drainage system. He installed modern drainage disposal machinery, and he also created the city plan layout to make Hyderabad a popular city in future. Back in Mysore, he initiated the construction of Krishnaraj Sagar Dam, the largest one ever built till that date, with highest capital of 23 million on the river Kaveri. The construction of this dam gave scope for developing Brindavan Garden below it, making Mysore a popular tourist place. The first university, the University of Mysore, was started by him. Today it is called as Vishveshwaraya College of Engineering. Working with Tata Iron and Steel Works as a board of director for over 25 years, he explored iron ore in Mysore and became the key personality behind the construction of Bhadravati Iron and Steel Works. He created an economic conference that planned for the creation of industries like sandal oil, soap, sericulture, metalworks, planning, banking, and sugar. He traveled across the globe with one desire to gain knowledge and make India an industrial nation, and as a part of it, he brought all manufacturers into one roof by founding All India Manufacturers Organization, through which he encouraged establishment of new industries and implementation of modern methods in industries. He established Kannada Literature Academy. He introduced the method of harnessing electrical energy from water resource. He commissioned many new railway lines in Mysore. He was the man behind the construction of Tirupati-Tirumala Ghat Road. He designed a system that protected Visakhapatnam seaport from getting eroded. Even after attaining 90 years of age, he took up the construction of Mukama Bridge, which is called Rajendra Setu Bridge today, over Ganga River in Bihar. At 92 years, he had to take up the challenge of reconstructing Bhadravati Steel Works as it went into losses and was advised to close down by experts. But he took it back to profits, and from the salary he earned out of it, he associated with the government to create an occupational polytechnic college which dealt in wireless telegraphy, radio engineering, cinematography in those days itself. He authored many books, introduced many plans and schemes for nation building. He also advised many practical schemes for water supplies and construction of dams all over India. He also came up with schemes to develop rural economy through industries, and this led to the establishment of the biggest sugar factory in Mandya which transformed the village into a headquarter. He was the president of Indian Science Congress and he introduced many new faculties to engineering curriculum. He gave the Jayanagar colony layout in Bangalore, which is still the best and the biggest in Asia. For his exemplary work, he was given Bharat Ratna, the Champion of the Order of the Indian Empire title, Sir and Knight Commander title by King George V, the position of Diwan of Mysore, honorary membership of London Institute of Civil Engineers, many doctorates, and he is popularly called as the father of modern Mysore. As he had the greatest accomplishments, his birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day not only in India but also in Sri Lanka and Tanzania. Happy Engineers Day. What would our country have been without his 1 or 2 years of contribution in nation building? Think, he is Sir Dr. Bharat Ratna Shri Mokshagundam Vishweshwaraya. What a glory it is to experience his life. Make everyone experience it.
Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.